Hi, my name is Gaurish. Welcome to Salesforce Rangers. Today we are going to talk about price book and price book entry. Price book entry, is a junction object which builds a many-to-many relationship between product and opportunity line item. So let's get started. I will start by adding a product under an opportunity. This is my opportunity record. Now I will go to the related list and click add products. When I click add products, I see that price book is standard. Now, first of all, let's understand what is a price book. So, price book, you can consider it as a physical book or, in which I have listed all my products and mentioned their prices. Now, I can have multiple price books. For example, my business is selling laptops. Now, I can have two price books, one for my regular customers and the other for my normal customers. So for my regular customers, I will write the prices of my product a little bit lesser than the normal products or the normal price book, so that my regular customers who regularly purchase laptops with me, I can give them a little bit lower price. So price book, it's in which all the products are listed with some prices. Now we are choosing the product from standard price book, and there you can see that product name, product code and list price is mentioned in the price book. Each of these rows are called price book entries. So price book entry is another object which is child of price book, and each record in that object, in price book entry object, defines the price of a product. So I'm gonna choose two products for now. Next, save. So on the UI part, we do not see the complexity and the complex relationship product and between product and opportunity line item. But product is not directly related to opportunity line item. It is related through a junction object called price book entry. So I will now show you the schema diagram, the relationships between some of the objects which I have mentioned. Here it is. So we have an opportunity object. Opportunity object has a child called opportunity product. The API name is opportunity line item of this opportunity product. And we have another object called price book, which is the parent of opportunity. Now I will show you that how we can choose price book. In the products related list, there is an option called choose price book. I can choose, if we have more than one price book, then we can choose them from here. So that means that one opportunity can have one price book, but one price book can be selected by more than one opportunity. So it's a one to many relationship between price book and opportunity. Price book is one and many opportunity. Now we have a price book entry object, which is the child of price book, as shown here, one to many relationship. This is many and this is one. Now you can see that price book entry is also the child object of product object, which means that it is establishing a many to many relationship, but not directly. It is quite complex. See, if we talk about account and contact, the relationship is quite simple, but if we talk about this price book entry object, the relationship becomes complex. So uh, price book entry, we cannot relate directly product on the opportunity product. It comes via the price book entry. We need to attach a price book entry to our opportunity product in the back end. So now I am going to show you, um, how we can do it in Apex, how we can create an opportunity line item or opportunity product under an opportunity record. We will write a trigger called opportunity trigger, and the object is going to be opportunity. So my requirement will be, create an opportunity product with any product as soon as an opportunity is created. So as soon as my opportunity is created, I'm going to insert an opportunity product under that opportunity. Now I will change this event from before to after. As I explained in my previous video, that we use after insert when we need the ID of the record. So we obviously need opportunity ID in order to insert an opportunity product. So my event is after insert. Now I will create an opportunity line item object. So before moving forward, I would like to tell you that this is not a bulkified trigger. I'm not going to write that now. It's a simple trigger. For bulkified trigger, I will prepare another video. OLI dot price book entry ID. There is a field called price book entry ID on opportunity line item object. Now here we need to put a price book entry ID. We cannot directly put a product ID over here. First of all, we will provide an opportunity ID, which is the trigger.new ID, and then I am going to assign quantity, and I am going to insert OLI. But before that, we will be creating a price book entry record. Price book entry PBE equal to new price book entry. So product 2 and price book 2, these are the API name created by Salesforce. You don't have to get confused that why we have written here 2. It's like that only. So now we need to fetch the standard price book ID. So for now we will hard code it, but we can always query it. Okay, let's query it. Let's not hard code it. Select ID from price book 2 limit 1 0 comma dot id, and similarly query a product ID product 2 limit 1. Again I will repeat that it is not a bulkified trigger. Now I am going to use this pbe.id in my opportunity line item. Let's try to save it, see what happens, and it is saved. Now what I will do, I will create an opportunity record, a new one, and see if my product is automatically added or not. Opportunity name SF Rangers, close date is anything, amount leave it blank. Let's save it. Okay, stage is left. This price definition already exists in price book. Okay, so this error is it's quite obvious. We tried to create a price book entry in the price book for an existing product, which means that we cannot have multiple entries of a single product in the same price book. So what we will do here, uh, instead of inserting a new price book entry, I'm going to comment it. We are going to query our price book entry ID. Select ID from price book entry, where product 2 dot name equal to let's choose a product, uh, Gen watt diesel 1000 kilowatt, limit 1, save. Total price must be specified. Okay, save. And you can see that automatically as soon as the opportunity is created, we have our product added under this. So you see that when I was creating opportunity line item, I did not provide the product to ID, rather I provided the price book entry ID. And in my price book entry, product ID was already there. So it's not a direct relationship. Opportunity line item and product to or product are not directly related, but they are related through price book entry. So you can also try this trigger, try to write it in bulkified manner. Right now, this is not bulkified. This is only going to work for only one record. And please comment if you are unable to write this trigger on your own, or if you face any issue. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.